In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create input field animation in 1 minute in Figma. Figma Animation Series #shorts. Start by opening your design in Figma and heading to the frame where you want the input field to live. A clean canvas helps, so zoom in and make sure your layout grid or rulers are on if you like working precisely. Create a simple input interface. Draw a container for the field with a subtle stroke and a small corner radius. Then add placeholder text inside, align to the left with comfortable padding. Keep contrast high enough for accessibility, and set the text size so it's readable at the scale you're designing for. Now let's build the animated cursor. The cursor is just a vertical line that blinks. Draw a thin line, roughly the height of your text. A 1 to 2 px stroke works well. Align it to the text baseline so it looks native to the input. Convert that line into a component so we can add animation logic. With the line selected, create a component and name it clearly like cursor. Inside that component, add a variant. You should now have two variants, variant 1 and variant 2. Make the second variant transparent to simulate the off state of a blinking cursor. Set the stroke to 0% opacity. Switch to prototype mode and wire variant 1 to variant 2 with an after delay of around 500 mems. Then wire variant 2 back to variant 1 with the same after delay. Use Smart Animate or Instant. Both work for a blink, but Instant feels snappier. Add the cursor to your input field. Drag an instance of the cursor component into the field. Position it right where typing would begin, and group it with the field element so it moves as a unit. This keeps the looped blink running automatically. After creating the interactive cursor, group the two input fields you have on your canvas so they're organized and easy to manage together. This sets you up for state switching. Create that grouped pair as a component set. Use clear variant names such as idle and focused to represent the two states of the input. Prototype the component set and connect the variants to each other. For example, set the idle variant to change to focused. On click with Smart Animate and connect focused back to idle. The same way, keep easing and duration subtle so the transition feels natural. Finally, open present and preview the result. Click to focus and you'll see the input animate with a clean blinking cursor. Tweak delays or easing if you want a faster or slower blink. Congratulations, you've created a crisp input field animation in Figma.